Yeah, let me turn this down. This is a new radio to me. This was sent to me by PRUNUS. It's the J-618. And all my comments and criticisms, whatever, are mine. They don't review my videos before I put them out. So here we go. Thank you, PRUNUS, for sending me this radio. Right now, it's $25 with a possible, right now, 10% off. It's AM and FM, MP3 player, Bluetooth, and guess what? This is what's unique about this radio. It not only has Bluetooth receive, so you can use it as an amplifier speaker, it also has Bluetooth transmit, so you can use like wireless earbuds. And it has a connected earbud jack on the top for conventional use. Did I mention it's also an MP3 player? Lots of functions. It has a 2,000 milliamp hour battery. It's not removable. You could possibly remove it and replace it because there are screws on the back to take the back cover off. I'm not going to do that. Nope, not going to do that. But anyway, that's possible. It does have channel station search. It has ATS, automatic tuning and storing, with approximately, 100 memory storage locations. It has a sleep timer. And it will do a search, just a search for a station and stop, and not store it. You can manually store a station yourself without using ATS. If you want to find your stations yourself, or if you find one, hey, I like that one, I want to manually store it, you can do that. So let me show you the radio up close. I would consider this a senior's radio because of the display. Display, big numbers, got a nice backlight. There's the backlight. There we go. I have to get it right for my camera. There's the volume number, the mode, AM mode, frequency. Battery condition is right up here, right up there above my thumb. It's 3/4 charged right now. Volume up and down. Bluetooth transmit mode, turn that on. Manually tune up and down. This is used for a couple of functions. It's used to lock the keyboard. It does not have keyboard entry. It's also used when you're using the MP3 player function to move forward a track, to pause. Down here is sleep timer setting mode, or setting up a preset memory location like I mentioned before. This is how you go through the memory. I'm not holding it up to the camera. This is how you go through the memory stations you stored in memory plus, memory minus. Here's the ATS and the band select, AM and FM. This is the mode select. That's if you want to select, for instance, MP3 player, which I'll do in a few minutes, or Bluetooth speaker. This is, like I said before, this is for setting it to Bluetooth transmit. Up here we have the regular earphones jack, TF card slot, charging port, charges with a Type-C charger, telescopic antenna, which I have down now because I'm on AM and it doesn't use that antenna, it uses the internal antenna. Here's the back of it. Pretty hefty, so that battery must be a pretty big battery in there because this thing is hefty. Let me try Bluetooth. Bluetooth, I want to go to mode. There's Bluetooth. It's playing my YouTube free library music. Lots of volume. Very clear. Switch channels. Well, that was pause. There's
Hello,
switch.
this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show.
Oh, that's boring. We don't listen to
This
that.
is Tom.
Those are recordings I did on another radio. Very good sound. Nice bright display. Nice radio. Good quality looking. Good. There's, it comes with the charging cord. Doesn't come with the adapter. Comes with carrying strap, which you can put right here. So you don't, if you take it with you for a walk, put that carrying strap around your arm, hand, arm, whatever, neck, foot, so you don't drop it. How do you like it? Like I say, it's a great radio for seniors because of the display. Plus, let me turn the volume down. Or I could just do a pause. Plus, it's very easy to learn to use. You don't have to spend a lot of time learning all the functions. Here is the manual. Very brief manual because it's very straightforward. Nice big print for us. I mentioned the word again, seniors. It supports up to a 32 gig TF card. You can see the size. Fits in the palm of your hand. Unless you have a very small hand. I like it. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for PRUNUS for sending me this radio. And have a great day. Bye-bye.